Welcome to Metastability Inc. Today we'll show you our new project. The whole script is already pre-written and we'll expect the program to generate online banking system with all the necessary components. We'll start the first round with sending information through Postman to terminal, writing npm run manually since system doesn't start automatically yet. Next time it definitely will. As you can see on the screen, executing tool says write to file, means all the necessary information in package JSON, so means that we probably will see result in a few moments. And here we go. On the top we see online bank logo, the nav bar, personal account, current balance, recent transactions, and footer. Again, this is our first round and it's already pre-generated solid website, which could take a week or a month, depends on your coding skills. We have checked almost all features that the generated project offered us. So now let's continue with second iteration. We are repeating all the previous steps which we did in the first round. So using Postman, sending information. Further, this application service will be improved and it will start the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, etc. rounds to improve existing components. And after that, the server with the service will auto-develop a website whichever you want, but I'm not sure about the backend because we always have to check the schema, the data, APIs, security, and etc. In the next round, the complexity of this project will increase, and I assume we can complete from 50 to 70% of the project. Maybe in the first base version, we will be able to present to our customer main function, and after that we'll implement the design for this application. And our terminal now says that we should open this in Google Chrome, and I think it's okay if we use Safari since it's working perfectly. And I will remind that our main position is to achieve easy way to decrease the time of development. We should concentrate our focus on implementing backend server, service, repositories, and all the business logistics to improve it. Because if we'll spend all time on the front end, we can forget about the main direction of the problem of business. And this will be the affordable option in the nearest future because we still have to test it. And we just started another round of the program. We'll see how it goes, but meanwhile it's processing. I'll tell you that our focus was on the main business problems, and using this program you can immediately start conversation with the customer to resolve business problems and to automate business and etc. As it says on the screen, we don't have recharts, and I'll try to install it manually through terminal. The reason is that the server and the round are not patched, the package JSON, and the script didn't start the npm I or install. Look, that manual part requires minimum action from user, but Metastability Inc. is still working on how to make this automatic and more convenient at the same time for everyone. So every development team can save time for customers and for the contractors as well. For this round, we are repeating some necessary actions and waiting for the result. 2, 1. The result of another round is on the screen, and we can see the updated features, like we got diagram where each group has its own color, recent transactions, and of course footer. Paying attention to details, you'll see how this website could be totally functional because the program has generated online banking system with all the necessary features and components which actual online banking system would have. We have another project which was also developed by the server, and here we have just a template. It looks like landing for development company, but our purpose is to update this exist file to another application. And I have pre-installed in my service some settings to convert this existing application to online bank. And we'll see how it will be generated. Will it be like a landing page or a full website? Just pay attention to how components are moving on the page so animatedly and so smooth. So now you see the screen where it says that we have a lot of errors, but that's alright because the script just got the list of existing components right now and it's writing absolutely brand new code and new components to existing application. And so you see how issues are disappearing one by one. It means that we're getting new and updated code for the program. And look, we got absolutely brand new website. That's amazing. And it's online banking system with the login process. Let's log in. I'll use the password from the log because system gave it. And look, that's just like Bank of America, right? Let's do quick ad hoc testing just to click here and there to see what we got. And that's very nice. Transfer money, all the necessary features here, and it's working. We see recent transactions, which is nice. Then we go to billing system, pay, perfect, it works, but you need backend, right? That makes sense. And if we go to accounts, you'll see pretty much the same things that regular online banking would have. In transactions, we have spendings and we have deposits as well. In account settings, you might choose your preferences. Let's try to change your email to Metastability AI. Oh, and just can try Metastability, right? All right, and then we are continuing exploring, save changes. So on the bottom we have about us, story, our team. Now let's see if footer works here. So we click and looks like page is empty. Let's double check again and I see the link is empty. So I assume that this footer is from the previous project, and if we'll start second, third rounds and the service, AutoDev1.0 service, we'll see the difference. But now you see the mobile version of online banking system, and hopefully you like this whole presentation from Metastability Inc. and see you soon.